Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Hope you're doing great. If this is your first time joining in, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for me. So what my channel is all about real quick is basically diagnostics, DIY, repairs on mowers, cars, trucks, and we'll be probably adding some household stuff, projects around the house. So yeah, make sure you hit the subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I drop a new video. The video we're going to be doing today is this mower. I just picked it up for 200 bucks. The client was getting rid of it because as he mentioned, as he's having a problem with only one spindle turning, the other is not, and he didn't want to spend the money apparently to diagnose it and get it repaired, and decided to just go ahead and get a new mower. Some people got money like that, some people don't. So that's why my channel is here to help you save money and repair stuff yourself. So we're going to be diving into this thing and see what exactly his issue is. So I'm going to start it up. I'm going to be basically bypassing the safety switch on the seat, so that way I can drop the deck, turn the blades on, and actually dive down there and see what's going on. I do not recommend that you do that yourself because that's pretty dangerous. So it'd be best if you have somebody with you to help you with this part. If you're trying to do the same thing with your mower and dive in and do diagnostics on the deck and your blades. So with that being said, let's jump into it. Okay, so as you guys saw, it's the right spindle is not turning at all, so there's something definitely going on. The belt is free, all the pulleys are free, the idlers and the tensioner pulley at least, so but the spindle is not turning at all. So let's pull this guy into the garage, drop the deck, and see exactly what is going on and why the spindle is not working. Okay, so now that I got the covers off, I basically just confirmed what I already thought was probably my cause is right here. I'm gonna get you a close up. You seeing what I'm seeing? You can turn the pulley without turning the shaft. Look at this play. So the bearing, the top and lower bearing, these spindles have top and lower bearing which you can replace. So those two bearings are basically shot, and this is no longer tight, so the pulley is just spinning freely, and that's why the guy was complaining that only one spindle was turning and the other one is not. And the reason for his bearings going bad is all this crap here. So make sure you clean your deck if you don't want to be spending the extra cash on repairing your mower. Just hit it with the blower. And there's another example. So this is the tensioner pulley. This is the same exact thing. All this crap, it just eats away this bearing and then they just fail. So yeah, pretty much this is a simple fix. but for somebody that's not experienced and doesn't know what is going on, it could definitely make a bad day. So there you have it, guys. That's going to be it for this video, but make sure to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and come back for more money saving tips. Stay safe, be blessed. See you soon.